Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon we're waiting for Heather to come pick us up because John took the vehicle today, but Peyton has a doctor's appointment and baby John is needing to get deep suctioned again. So yeah, that is what's going on. Don't think we have anything else planned. I know we have to take baby John to get suctioned like 3 or 4 times a day. So we'll probably go later, but I won't bore you guys and film it every single time, but I'll let you guys know when we go. And I'm not sure, like I said, if we're doing anything else. Baby John had a good night last night. He fell asleep around midnight and slept all the way until 5:30. Pretty much. I mean, if he was up and down, I don't really remember. I was really tired. I don't think he was up and down because I would have gotten up with him. I gave him Tylenol before bed and he slept through the night basically. And he has to like sit up to sleep and stuff like that just so that way when he's coughing he doesn't puke or gag or anything. So yeah, that was last night.
I have to go to the doctor too.
Yeah, I told him.
What happened?
But I think they're just gonna check me up a little, and she has to drop off the papers, I think.
She has asthma, and in order to have an inhaler at school, you have to have a doctor's form filled out and everything. So we got to get that filled out.
Oh man. Still didn't. Oh. Put my glasses on.
However you want to have them. Okay? Big mouth. Excellent.
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Hi guys, I just got a shot. We got back from us taking him to the hospital, so we're about to leave. Well, we'll see you when we get home. Bye.
We're gonna go wash the car. We need to think of a name for our car. It's a girl because it's my car. It's going to be my car, so it has to be a girl. If you guys have any name ideas, leave them down in the comments below so we can pick out a name for our car. But yeah, we're gonna go wash the car. We have to stop by the bank first to grab some cash. Did you grab your card off the? Okay. We need gas too.
biscuits and french fries for dinner. I mean, a couple of strawberries while she's cutting them. Tomorrow, we're going to have smoothies. Uh-huh. Look at this strawberry. That's how big.
Oh my god.
So, yeah. Some people don't always cut the strawberries. That's why it's like that. They didn't cut it all the way and stuff. Yesterday, I ate a big, huge one. It was huge. Big like that one. So, we're going to have milkshakes when John gets back. So, yeah. I'm going to show you my chore chart. We did before this day. See, this is my chore chart. Peyton's chore chart. And the stickers, it says I did my chores. That's
If you get 5 of them, you get a treat.
if I get 5 of them, I get a treat. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to tell you guys. So, bye.
Here's all of our fruit for our smoothies. I have some cuties. I haven't tried them yet in a smoothie, but I'm going to. We have bananas, strawberries, and pineapples as well. And I mix mine with orange juice, and that's it. I like strawberry banana's good. Strawberry pineapple's really good. I don't know. I'm going to just experiment with the oranges, see if there's anything good with it. But I just cut everything up and then stick it in the freezer, and then, like I said, mix it with some orange juice in my little blender and call it good. Baby John's taking a bath, and look what I can do to his hair. I gave him a mohawk. You look so handsome, buddy. Goodness. Everyone just went to bed. Baby John is down there playing with some toys, and I'm gonna clean up a little bit in here. I'm watching Shameless, of course, and just hanging out with my little man, because of course he's not gonna go to bed for a while. Yeah, so that is basically what is going on with us. I think I'm gonna maybe end the vlog today. Sorry if it's a shorter one, just been busy and haven't been vlogging as much as I should, so I apologize. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.